Morning guys, I'm here in my new nicely tidy workshop. Oh, look at all this space. Plans for today, we are building some gym equipment. Some Atlas stones, if you know what that is. Basically giant stone concrete spears that you pick up and throw around, and an axle bar, which is basically a weightlifting bar, because I'm getting back into strongman training a little bit just while we're in lockdown, so that I've got some stuff that I can do in the back garden, stay strong while we're off. So plan for this morning, get a mould built for the Atlas stone. I've got some fiberglass to build a mould, and I've got some steel to make myself an axle bar, so that's going to be the plan for today. So the idea is this is going to be half of our Atlas stone mould. We're going to do it in two halves just to make it a bit easier. But I just need to find something flat to put this on. As it happens, I've got this bit of spare aluminium sheet. It's already got a plastic coating on it, so I can just go straight onto that with the epoxy, and hopefully that shouldn't be a problem to get off then. If anyone hasn't done fiberglassing before, you're probably wondering why I'm cutting it in small little pieces like this. Fiberglassing is very much like using paper mache or Mod Rock, if you ever use that. It's pretty much the same, just it's easier to layer it on in small little pieces with a load of resin. Just makes it a lot easier, to be honest. Okay, project number 2 today. I'm going to make is what I call an axle bar. You can see this here, 2-inch steel. May have got a little distracted earlier, sorting out the camera. Got the mask, got the ear defenders. My ears are ringing a bit now and it's getting dusty in here. Just remember, all your PPE. Got open ends on this pipe. I don't really want that. To end up with dirt and water and shit getting in there and it rusting out. So I'm gonna got some thin sheet. Just cut this off, weld it on the end, grind it down, and I'll just finish that off. I think my bush has just gone on my grinder. Seems to me like the spring that was pushing this brush in wasn't getting it through, it was getting caught somehow. So there's no contact from that to the motor. What I've done is just bend that bit of metal a little bit that way, just to free it up a little bit. Now it's sprung in nicely, so hopefully that should work now. Woohoo! So much better than before. It's like it's new again. Hear that? I've welded it shut. There's obviously some filings in there which are rattling around. My OCD is going a bit... I'm not going to bother changing it. It's done. Maybe I should spray it. So, today we've got the bar done, we've got the half Atlas stone mould done. We're going to check that out tomorrow and see how it's turned out, and then hopefully make the other half. And I think that's going to be it for me today, actually. These things take a lot longer at the moment because I'm trying to film at the same time, and I'm really not very good at that. So yeah, it's just slowing everything down a bit. Now I'm going to get some food, have a coffee, and I may come back out to the workshop if I'm feeling up to it, and get started on making a punching bag stand, which is my next project. See you guys in the next one.